again, this is the old terminal block with capacitor here. It's pretty much shattered. When I tried to unplug it, it shattered into about 4 or 5 different pieces. Okay, this is the new terminal block with the capacitor, and this harness, this plug only connects into the wiring harness one way. If you notice, the right side where the red wire is a little fatter than the left side is. There's absolutely no way you can plug this in the wrong way. I've already unplugged all the wires. I'm just getting ready to take the distributor cap off. I number all my wires, even though I've done this so many times I know where they go back. It just makes it a lot easier for me. I'm just going to remove the rotor. You can see the old terminal block right there. What I did was electrical tape the old one back together just so I could move it until I got the new one on order and delivered. And this is the ignition control module. And this is the wiring, a terminal block harness that shattered into about 5 or 6 different pieces. Okay, I have the new terminal block and capacitor installed in there, and I put a boatload of 𝐒𝐓𝐓𝐄 thermal compound on the bottom side of this ignition control module. This isn't a how-to video, but if you ever do that, don't forget it needs that thermal compound on the back of it, a lot of it.